Hi, this is Jabba Melvin. In this episode, we can see what do you mean by capital budgeting. Capital budgeting is an investment decision by the finance manager in every organization. So it is the duty of the finance manager to take the investment decision in every company. This capital budgeting requires the comparison of cost against benefit over a long period of time. We can call it as capital investment decision. What is capital investment decision? Now we can see capital investment decisions. Capital investment decisions also can be called as capital budgeting. Why capital investment decisions are extremely important for an organization? The first one is replacement. Replacement of fixed assets may become necessary either on account of their own out or becoming outdated on account of new technology. Due to new technology, we must replace the old equipment. We need capital investment. Next, expansion. A firm may have to expand its production capacity on account of high demand for its products and inadequate production capacity. This will need additional capital investment. When demand increased, we have to expand its production capacity. It needs more capital investment. Next one is diversification. A business may like to reduce its risk by operating in several markets. It means diversifying our market into various regions, divisions, territory. The next one is research and development. Large sums of money may have to be expended for research and development in case of those industries where technology is rapidly changing. When we are in need of R&D for new product development, for innovations, then to improve the quality of our own product. Here we need huge amount for this research and development purpose. Then miscellaneous. A firm may have to invest money in projects which do not directly help in achieving profit oriented goals. For example, installation of pollution control equipment necessary on account of legal requirements. Some legal aspects are mandatory, that is compulsory. Here example given pollution. Then capital budgeting appraising methods. Why capital budgeting methods are needed? Because the first one is a basis of distinguishing between acceptable and non-acceptable projects. So these capital budgeting methods are a basis. Ranking of projects in order of their desirability. So we have different projects and we are giving the rating. Which one is first, which one is the second. Then we are selecting. The third one is choosing among several alternatives. We have many alternatives. Project A, project B, project C. So which one we are selecting? These capital budgeting methods are giving idea to choose the right alternative. The next, a criterion which is applicable to any conceivable project. Then following are the main methods of capital budgeting. The first one is payback period method. Second one is accounting rate of return method. Third one is discounted cash flow method. In this discounted cash flow method, we are following the discount factor table values Here, the first one is net present value method, NPV. Second one is internal rate of return method, IRR. Third one is profitability index method, PI. We can see the problems in these methods of capital budgeting in the coming episodes. Kindly give comments and subscribe this channel for getting more notifications for the coming videos. Thank you.